everyone, I am Nallavala Abhivarshini Teja. Today I have came back with a new concept. I am telling you today about IIT topic of class 7th and its 5th chapter in it, and let's see concept 1 of it. Its name is synthetic fibers and plastics. The chapter heading is synthetic fibers and plastics. Let's start. See children, here they have gave us about polymers. Polymers mean a polymer may be defined as a high molecular weight compound formed by the combination of a large number of one or more types of small molecules of low molecular weight. The small unit or units from which the polymer is made is known as monomer. Here, they're telling that high molecular weight compound formed by the combination of a large number of small molecules. It is having high molecular weight, and it's compound formed by the combination of large number of small molecules. See, next, they told us about classification of polymers. Here they gave us another topic in our textbook. See here children, this is our textbook. This is our textbook of class 7. In this, we got a topic of classification of polymerization. Let's read it and I'll explain it to you again. The monomers can unite in two different manners to form large molecules. Monomers means the other name of polymers is monomers. Monomers can unite in two different manners from large molecules. In the other words, we can say that polymerization can be achieved by two methods. In other words, they are telling that polymerization can be told in two different ways. Understand children? Condensation and addition polymerization. They are telling us about condensation and addition polymerization. Let's see here. Condensation and polymerization. Let's see what they gave us. When two monomers, same or different, link with each other by elimination of small molecule. Two monomers. We told monomers other name is polymers, or polymers other name is monomers. As I said, they gave us two monomers. When two monomers link with other by elimination method. In elimination method, we may already know that elimination method. In elimination of small molecules, such as water or alcohol, like elimination of molecules in water and alcohol as byproduct to form dimer, yes, and which again condenses which another molecule of in the same way to form trimer, and so on until a large molecule desirable length is formed here. They are telling that it again condenses and the same process occurs again and again continuously. Next topic is about addition polymerization. Addition polymerization involves the self-addition. Self-addition means we can tell that like addition polymers, repeating unit, common uses or applications, a lot of topic in this. But self-additions means they are attracting to each other like magnets. North Pole and South Pole get attracted easily by themselves without touching. In the same way, self-addition. In the addition polymerization, we will learn about self-addition of unsaturated molecules. Unsaturated molecules mean this molecules which, for example, let's take one thing for better understanding. In one glass of water, It is containing 1000 ml of water in that, and we are pouring 60 grams of sugar. Let's think it's sugar or salt, whatever it may be. 60 grams. Its capacity is exactly 80% to hold that. We are pouring only 60%. Means still more solute can be dissolved in that. Still more is dissolved in that. In that way, unsaturated molecules means the definition of it is still some more quantity is added to that, then it will become saturated. In saturated, we may learn about saturated exact meaning of saturated is no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. Here solute means salt. Solvent means water. We can define solute as lesser quantity and solvent as more quantity which we are taking it. In that way, we have different types of classifications like saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated. In this way, we have about them. And any small molecules to form single giant molecules. Any small molecule, children. From any small molecules, they may attract and self-addition happens there and they become into giant molecules. And here we got about classification of polymers based on their structures. Here we'll see here about linear polymers, children. These are called as linear polymers. These are called as branched polymers. These are called as cross-linked polymers. Why? Because in linear polymers there are in straight position in this way. See, you can observe here they are in straight way. In branched polymers, in the branched polymers they have stem branches in the way they have, so that we name it as branched polymers. And in cross-linked polymers, see here 3 molecules are there and they are attached in cross way and straight, in parallel way, whatever it may be. They are attached in the cross-linked way. So they are called as cross-linked polymers. Next, let's see these definitions. Linear polymers. These type of polymers consist of long chain, means in a parallel way. Let's think these are 2 molecules. My hands are 2 molecules. They are in a straight way now, right? They are in a straight way to me. These are called as linear polymers, children. When the molecules are in a straight way or in a long straight line or a chain, whatever it may be, it is called as linear polymer. It should be definitely molecule only. And next, branched polymers. In branched polymers, we may learn about the linear polymers attached to some molecules in the way of branches. In the way of branches, they are attached. And cross-linked polymers. In the cross-linked polymers, they are attached in different way. For example, this is one straight line. This is attached in this way. Here, another. In that way, they are attached in cross-linked way. So that we are naming it as cross-linked polymers, branched polymers, because they are attached in the way of branches on a tree. So we are calling it as branched polymers. This is cross-linked polymers. And next, we have classification of polymers based on molecular forces. Based on molecular forces also, we are discussing about some of the polymers. Elastomers. Here we get about elastomers. See, children. Here it is about elastomers here. Next, in elastomers, we are learning about, let's see, these polymers have elastic property. Children, do you spring, for example, observe in pens, there will be some springs. From that spring, they are elastic in way. Elasticity will be there in that. If we stretch, it will going on, increase its length. Up to certain length, it increases. And next, These